Soren Hair Regrowth is marketed as a hair growth solution that supposedly regrows lost hair and restores a fuller head of hair. But the real question is, does it actually work at all, or is it another hair loss product making promises it can't keep? Now, to be fair, some hair loss treatments can produce real results. Certain ingredients have been studied for their ability to slow hair loss or support hair growth under specific conditions. What it does well may improve the appearance of hair. Some users may notice healthier looking, shinier, or fuller feeling hair. Could support scalp health. Many hair growth products contain ingredients intended to improve the scalp environment. Where the hype falls apart. It is unlikely to regrow significant amounts of hair for most users. This is the biggest issue. Many hair growth products promise dramatic regrowth that is rarely achieved in real-world use. Hair loss has multiple causes. Genetics, hormones, age, stress, nutrition, and medical conditions all influence hair growth. Results are usually slow and modest. Meaningful changes, when they occur, often take months rather than weeks. So, does Soren Hair Regrowth actually work at all? Short answer: it may help improve hair appearance or support scalp health, but there is little reason to expect dramatic hair regrowth for most users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.